Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans were lower on Friday, closing just above the day's lows with no official news out during the session about the phone meeting between U.S. and Chinese trade representatives. A lot of that was expected to hinge on tariffs and the possibility of China buying a lot more U.S. ag goods over the course of the next year or so. The trade was also watching planting activity in South America and U.S. harvest activity. Corn ended the session mostly fractionally lower, also keeping an eye on the U.S. harvest pace, expecting mixed progress over the next few days ahead of probable snow in parts of the Midwest next week. And wheat was mixed. Chicago and Kansas City were up on short covering, watching winter wheat planting and development conditions. Minneapolis was down despite the continued concerns about the slow pace of this year's spring wheat harvest. Live and feeder cattle were higher ahead of the USDA's cattle on feed report. Marketings and the total number of cattle on feed are both close to expectations. Placements are up 2% in the year, but with a pretty wide range of estimates heading into the report. A lot of how the report's going to be interpreted is going to hinge on how the trade sees that placements figure. And hogs ended the session mixed on pork demand uncertainties, spread adjustments, the higher midday pork, and the lower cash during the session. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.